Hi Anand.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you, Anand?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. It's just a feedback interview from your side, Anand. First of all,
Okay.
congrats for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, your introduction.
My name is Anand, ma'am. I'm from Kalburgi. Currently, I'm staying in Jayanagara, Bangalore. I pursued my BE from PDA College of Engineering, Kalburgi. Currently, I'm doing Advanced Construction Management course in CMTI.
How did you get to know CMTI?
Ma'am, I came to know about CMTI by my friends, ma'am. And later, I Googled in and also YouTube, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what are the subjects you learned in CMTI which was new to you?
Ma'am, here we read about reading of drawings, how to compare drawings, and the sequence of construction, methodology, quantity survey, quality control, quality assurance, bar bending schedule, rate analysis, bill of quantity. And coming to softwares, ma'am, we read about AutoCAD, SketchUp. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How was the trainers approach during the courses and all?
Really nice, ma'am. They were ready to clear our queries n number of times.
Okay, fine. How was your site visits?
Site visits were best, ma'am. We really got to learn about practical aspects. We visited both to construction and interiors site visits, ma'am.
Okay. Then, how was your interview process, Anand? How did you crack the interview?
Actually, my interview was I cleared my interview in first round itself, ma'am. It was a nice interview and very easy.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI is very easy to access, ma'am. It has courses which are all pre-recorded, which will be helpful for students to access the courses.
Okay. Fine. What about CMTI staffs? How was their coordination?
They were really nice, ma'am. They were helpful in if you have any doubts about regarding the classes and timing schedules. If you want to attend any classes again, they have the permission, ma'am. You have to ask their
Okay.
permission, they have to give. They were
Okay.
nice.
Okay. Then what about CMTI? Like, how did you get experience in CMTI? Like, how was your journey?
It was a pleasure, ma'am, in CMTI. CMTI actually explains really about practical aspects, which is important for engineers in the real industry, ma'am. So CMTI is very good, ma'am.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Anand?
I really recommend this course to my juniors and friends, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Anand. Thanks for your feedback. And once again, congrats for your placements and all the best for your future. Thank you, Anand.